Today we have a MacBook Pro in for a battery replacement. And Apple don't actually provide batteries for their MacBooks. So what we do is we actually use the best aftermarket batteries that money can buy, and we use them in all of our MacBook repairs. So we only use the best for our customers. And what we're actually doing here right now is we're putting some isopropyl alcohol onto the bottom parts of the battery to allow the glue to start loosening up. And then we remove the battery connectors and the screws on the motherboard and the cables. After a few minutes, the isopropyl alcohol has done its magic and allows us to start removing the battery. Now that the batteries has been removed, we need to go ahead and remove the rest of the glue. Once the glue has been removed and the bottom plate has been cleaned up properly, we actually apply some extra bit of Tesa tape onto the actual case itself. The batteries do come with their own adhesive, but we like to be a little bit extra and make sure that that battery does not come off or moves around when it's back with the customer. This is the new battery that we're going to install onto the MacBook. It comes with a 12-month warranty, so the customer has complete peace of mind. Every single device that comes to us gets a thorough clean. That is the screen, the front, the back, the inside, anything that we've opened up or touched. Over to techwalla.co.uk to get your device booked in.